Stitchery, the whip stitch. Choose a contrasting color from your running stitch. The whip stitch also starts from underground, and then you're going the same direction under your running stitch. For this video, I'm going under my running stitch by pointing my needle to the center of my burlap over and over again. When you get to the corner, you're still going under the running stitch by pointing your needle the same direction each time. When you run out of yarn, you just go underground, take off your needle, make a loop, and pull to form a knot. Cut away from the knot to secure the thread. Starting a new piece of yarn in this stitch can be a little tricky. You still come up from underground. Just pretend like you never stopped stitching. Once you're finished, go back underground, make a knot, and don't forget to cut away from the knot. And then you have your beautiful whip stitch. Some people even call it a candy cane stitch.